Hello, good morning to all. My name is Nigam. Today I am discuss about what is inspection engineering and what is the key objects of inspection engineering. So first of all, what is inspection? The inspection plays a crucial role in any of the industry. It ensures safety, reliability, and quality to the customer satisfaction. And inspection engineer is important to control and checking the quality and make sure the product they meet the required standard. In every industry have its own code compliance, which is generally follow ISO certification. The code compliance adherence the set of the standard which is made by the governing authority and which is follow inside the industry. When we follow the code compliance, we use the quality control tools. Generally, most of the case, we use NDT inspection, means non-destructive test. In NDT inspection, we generally use liquid penetrate testing, magnetic particle testing, and ultrasonic testing, radiographic testing, visuals, and other of these. And when you checking the product, we can report the data in document types, and in the spot of the operation, and these documented data can further and converted into a short note or in short form for sending the higher authority by mail or Excel, and this format is called reporting. And finally, we discuss about the key objectives of the inspection engineering. First is quality assurance, second is defect identification, and third is safety and reliability, fourth is code compliance, and fifth is cost reduction. The first quality assurance can discuss. The Garvin purpose the 8-dimension theory. First is performance, second is feature, third is reliability, fourth is conformance, and fifth is durability, sixth is serviceability, seventh is aesthetics, and eighth is perceived quality. When we know both of the terms in sort of the lines, the performance is generally depend to product lie. Just like in automobile industry, the curve performance depend on the acceleration and the comfortment and cruising speed, so it depend product to product. Second is feature. Feature means the option available in any of the product. For example, in mobiles we have the various feature. In such mobile have both front and back camera, and various other mobile have no camera. These are considered as a features. And third is reliability. So reliability is the base dimension, which is in the time when products working fine without any malfunctioning or failure. In other words, we can say the reliability is the mean time to the first failure or mean time between the failure. And the fourth point is conformance. The conformance is any product have a design or operational characteristics when meet to the code compliance according to the company standard. We can say the product meet the code compliance of the company quality. And fifth is durability. Durability have a two dimension. First, economically and technically, the lifetime period of the any of the product without being deteriorates or failures. And sixth term, serviceability. The serviceability is the time to repairing of any of the product after malfunctioning. When the product take less time, it's mean the product have good serviceability quality. And seven is aesthetics, which depend person to person. It is perceived dimension because it's include taste or the looking choice and other reflection, which is depend to the aesthetics of the reflection of the society. And last is perceived quality. Perceived quality is nothing. In perceived quality, the customer do not have required information or data about the products, so it choose the product in its own one brand or one choice which the customer use for long time. And our key points: first, the quality assurance clear, and the second term is defect identification in the key point of quality inspection. So now we can discuss about what is defect inspection. So defects inspection is play the important role to ensure the products or service are not in defective, which is ensure that the product is okay to launch in market to reach the customers. Because the defect identification, it play the important role to company brand reputation, because defect identification has a 3 step. First is initial or proactive defect inspection. In this term, we can identify the product in initial stage of the defect, and we can remove the defect in the further process. And second is the on working defect identification. Means in time of the operation, the inspection engineer can check the product and found when it is defective, and the inspection engineer can ban the flow of the product for the further process, and it take the valuable time to company, and reduce the financial loss of the company. And the last step is final defect identification. In this process, the inspection engineer ensure the products to finally launch or to reach the customer, and he can identify the defects before reaching the customers. And these play the important role to the brand reputation, or it increase the market value of the share, or increase the share value of the company. And how to we can how measure in the product becomes defective. For example, the company one company gives data for making the one screw of 22 mm length, but in production the engineers can find the um, length of the screw is 22.1 mm. Then the engineers can the screw is defective because it's increase the length of 0.1 mm. But when company gives the tolerance of in this data for 0.1 mm tolerance plus minus, then the defective items considered as a okay for launching. This is depend on the company description. And our third key point of the inspection engineer is safety and reliability. The safety and reliability is the main term of the inspection engineering. The inspection engineering ensure that the product is safely product is working safely during the operation, and no accident can occur during in its operational time. Means one time is bounded which is not occur any accident case. It's the okay. And the fourth term is compliance. The compliance is nothing I say already. It's the set